Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a proxy with Incognition Anti-Detect Browser. Once you have downloaded the browser, in Profiles section click the Go to Profile Creation button. Here you can give a name to the profile. For me it's ProxyEmpire. Go a little bit down and click Add Proxy. They also have an AI agent which is designed to simplify getting started with the browser, especially for beginners. So if you face any troubles, feel free to use it. Then click on Proxy type. Make sure to choose either HTTP or SOCKS 5. We support all of them. Now go to your ProxyEmpire account and choose a country. I will select the United States, New York region. You can choose also city and ICP based on your needs. Copy the host and paste it. Put column, then copy the port and paste it to the right. Copy the username and paste it. Then copy the password and do same. Now find a button Check Proxy and click on it. On the right side we see our current IP address and it's United States, New York. Everything is fine. Click Create Profile and here we can see our profile. Press the button Start and done. Now you can use the browser. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.